y'all, so this is so comfortable. Like, I love this romper. And on the side, they got the little mesh see-through on the side. Almost like the little pink dress with the splits, except for this one, see-through on the sides. You don't have to wear no underwear under it, unless you want to. Maybe like a little G-string. And I got the perfect hairstyle to go with this. Like, I knew what I was doing. Like, you know, the pushback and the little bun, the twist bun. And like, it's giving track. It's just giving track, like track suit. Like, I can go running in it, and guess what, y'all? It's in a size large, and I got so much room in it. So much room. It fits like an extra large. But this is a size large. Like, yeah, when you get large with China or AliExpress, sometimes it's fit big, sometimes the large fit small, so you never know. But for that lace, I'm only getting extra large in lace for now on, not large. Okay. And yeah, I really like this though. The material, most likely polyester, spandex, elastic. Zipper, I decided to zip the zipper all the way up like it's supposed to be. I could zip it down some. But nah, for this, I need to be looking right here, but I need to see myself. Yeah. But yeah, you can put the zipper down some if you need to, but definitely wearing this somewhere though. You can wear this for a party. Oh my God, cookout. It just feels so good. Like, the material feels so good. Like, it's giving. It's definitely giving. Yeah. This is definitely, you know, what I bought and what I got. Yeah. This is what I bought and what I got. I like it zipped all the way up. It's giving track. Sorry, y'all. I was eating some Twizzler. Anyway, I get the rest out of my teeth later. So the next piece, y'all, this is so cute. So cute. It's like a little shirt, button down dress, and I'm gonna back all the way up so you can see. I can actually button it all the way down, but I'm wearing it how the model was wearing it in the photo. She had it buttoned all the way up to, well, she left the button, well, she stopped right here at the thigh. So, yeah. Hope y'all ain't see my underwear when I went back, but yeah, that's where she stopped at. And here, like a little split effect going on. So, of course, y'all know I could have buttoned it all the way up, but I decided to stop right here or whatever. And so I only really got 4 buttons right here on the side, button up. But yeah, I think this is a size extra large, super duper comfortable. Which I knew it would be bad or whatever. I hate those ads. Like, why can't the jazz just play all the way through, messing up the video, making it think I got people over here. But this is cute. I definitely wear this out just like this. It's super cute. You can definitely wear this like or a cover up on the beach or anything, or you can just wear it like this, honestly. Like, honestly, this is like a good, you know, I would say date night. Yeah, this is a good date night one because you got the little leg out. Yep, he gonna be ready when y'all get home. You got that leg out on that date. Really, you ain't gotta do too much though. You're really trying to get into it because I already got this open right here. All I gotta do is lift that thing on up. I'm giving y'all ideas, you know, for y'all, you know, woman that's in a relationship, or men for your wife. All right, y'all, so here are the denim shorts. I forget what this called. Cowboy, I don't know. I'm not gonna even say no names, but y'all can see it better on the thumbnail. But yeah, so yeah, I literally got to head out. I don't even know. I gotta head out like right now. So okay, but yeah, did I pair this up good or what? Like, and it's our, yeah, I paired this up good, like super good. Yep, it's giving like shorts, and honestly, if it did not come with these little strap things, I wouldn't wear it like this though. The shorts kind of, the little jean part kind of adds a little, but even though you can see the back, it's all good. It's all good. It's all good. And it's hot. It's like supposed to be going up to 89. It is hot right now. So I'm trying to get up out of here. But all right, y'all. I will see y'all in the next video. Okay, y'all, so back with another one. So I've been having this shirt, this crop shirt in my car as well. I just thought it was cute, really. It really doesn't pertain to me. Well, sort of, kind of, or whatever. It says deleted my ex. I never deleted my ex. Well, at least the ex that count. Yeah, the ex that count never been deleted though, but you know, those exes that don't really count, those are the ones that are deleted and blocked, you know. But anyway, this one is pretty much similar to the last one. I was wearing a size large. I was wearing a size large in the last crop tee. This one is pretty much the same. Material not too thick, not too thin. Yeah, and this one is a size large too, and I still got on the blue jean shorts, whatever. This is not like what I would pair this shirt up with. I wouldn't normally pair this shirt up with these blue jean shorts. I would pair it up with something else. I might do that in an outfit of the day video to show y'all what I really want to pair this, you know, shirt up with. But that's for another video. So, but these shorts gonna have to do for now for the video because I gotta wear something with it. But yeah, deleting my ex. I would say when you're getting stuff from AliExpress with words on it, you'll have to wash this in like some cold water, turn it inside out. But yeah, because eventually, like if you keep on washing this and washing it and washing it, eventually it might peel. I did have one shirt that I got from AliExpress that did peel, but it wasn't by the same vendor. So maybe this one would be different. It depends on how much you wear it, you know, it just wear and tear. But yeah, deleted my ex. And my favorite color is like red and black and gold, so this go good together. Also, y'all, I did get some lingerie that I saw that was so cute. But y'all, they showed it on the picture. It showed the model it going over her knees. This one appears short. Like, oh, okay. I was just going through my clothes. I'm like, oh, I forgot about these. So let me go ahead and do a video on these too. Or whatever. They are so cute. Anyway, so the first one that I have on is this long sleeves, long pants, cheetah print onesie, and it was made by the same manufacturer that we use right now. It has a butt flap. You might not be able to see it, but it has a butt flap. This didn't make production. I don't know why. I got this made back in 2019, I believe, or 2021. So, no, 2020 I got it made. But honestly, right now, I don't even think leopard print and leopard skin, all that stuff, I don't even think that is in right now. Because I still got a lot of cheetah sunflower that hasn't sold yet, so I don't know. So I felt like it was the cheetah. Maybe if they feel like it's played out, I don't know, but yeah. And it still fits me pretty much the same. It's pretty much stretchier. And this is back when the manufacturer used to make long pants real good. Like right now, they don't really make the long pants good no more. Like they probably make them too short or not so tall friendly. But since then, they done switched styles, so everybody don't sew the same. It is what it is. But yeah, this is cute. This is cute. It's almost giving like a nude, almost. Like a nude, like from a distance right here. I got so much light, so it's almost like giving nude. But yeah. So I'm gonna end up putting this back where I found it. But I'm gonna still keep this though. It's cute. Let's see. Got my lashes on. They both look the same. Well, this one a little bit different. As long as I don't got no lazy. Alright, y'all. So this next look, like, I am so obsessed with. Even though it's like a little, it's not that basic of a look, but I put this thing together. So I had to bring back the all black jumpsuit with the zipper on it. If y'all seen this before already, I had to bring it back. And I had to pair it up with my light blue denim vest, tie up vest. And it's just something about light blue denim with black that goes so well together, especially in the fall time. Like this goes so well together. Like I can't really hardly see because of the black. But hopefully y'all be able to see. Look, like that goes so well together, don't it? It goes so good together. And y'all, I got this jumpsuit from AliExpress. The vest, I don't remember where I got the vest from. Maybe, I don't know, Amy Clubwear, I don't know. But I didn't get this vest from AliExpress. But y'all, look, the back. This is perfect. It gives it like a little extra look with the little denim, light blue denim vest. You know? And then you can tie it up like this. But I think I'll keep it, I don't think I'll keep it tied up like this though, but it's other ways you can wear it. It fit a little bit smaller on me now, but that's all right. I like the way it fits now. But this is so cute. Right now I'm wearing some basic black shoes with it, but next time I go out, like really go out, this is gonna be my next look. I'm wearing this. This is gonna be my next look when I go out for real, cause this goes so good together. It looks like a one-piece outfit. I like it. It's super duper cute. Yeah, so I got on basic shoes with it. Yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna pair it up with my black boots. It's gonna be super cute. Yeah. Let me know if y'all like this look and how I put it together. It don't even need ironing like that, but it's cute though. It's cute. It's like it's a look. It's a look. It's a look for sure.